So, on the matter of whether a religion is inherently violent or inherently, bad or something like that, people say all religions are peaceful and so on and so forth. So let's break all these things into it. Are all religions same? Are all religions peaceful? Are all religions, teaching the same thing, etc. First of all, let me say this with regard to question of I will answer. First of all, are all religions the same? Uh, I would say that all religions in same in the sense, should all religions be treated equally? That's a political issue. That's a democratic issue. On a religious perspective, on a theological perspective, all religions may not be same, because they teach different. They say that there are different paths to the same place. Well, there aren't actually different paths to the same place. They have fundamental differences. They might be superficially same in the sense that uh, they want to basically, all religions perhaps want to establish a society. So a society could only be established, a big society could only be established when people are not stealing things of each other, people are not taking each other's wife, people are not people are not having adultery, people are not having are not killing each other, etc. So those basic superficial things to establish a peaceful society, so to speak, is something which all religions would have in common. Otherwise, the society which would be following that religion would end up in chaos. So that would be perhaps one of the same thing. However, there would be essential differences with regard to faith, and that is fundamental. So superficially they might be same, but fundamentally they are different. The concept of divinity in different religions is different. The concept of who is divine in different religion is different. The concept of how to achieve salvation, so to speak, in different religions is different. Where exactly heaven or hell is there, or is there a heaven or hell, how to go to the extent, everything is different. So fundamentally everything is different. The values of those religions are not core of the religion. Some people think that the values that religion teaches are core of an religion. No, the values of that religion teaches are superficial. The basic tenets and basic beliefs of a particular religion are something which is out of which all these values are born, right? For example, if Jesus says that you should love your neighbor, the loving of your neighbor is a teaching, is superficial, because it's a teaching that Jesus has said. Now why should I follow the particular teaching that Jesus has said? That's simply because that particular teaching was said by Jesus. And who is Jesus then? Jesus is the Son of God. So the core tenet or Jesus is God in that sense, because like he is the second person in the Holy Trinity. So therefore I should follow what Jesus says. So because if I don't follow the first aspect, that Jesus is the Son of God or Jesus is God, then his opinion is just like any other person's opinion. So the fundamental aspect, the core aspect of the religion is believing that Jesus is Son of God, and the superficial aspect of that religion is following what he said. Right? Religions are inherently different, superficially same, because most of the religions want to create a society which would exist and not a chaotic society.